Well, in South Korea, students at Dulwich College Seoul are learning from a grandmother who passes down sustainable Korean recipes while using vegetables grown in their own garden. Mike Valerio reports from the school's kitchen.
Meet Kim Ok-hwa, proud grandmother of a Dulwich College Seoul student, and she's passing down to all of us the art of making pajeon, a classic and sustainable Korean dish.
Is this the first time for this table cooking pajeon?
Yeah.
First time?
For me.
First time.
It's a scallion pancake, kimchi and carrots tossed into the batter. Sustainable because you can use leftover vegetables or scraps for pajeon, reducing food waste. Pan frying also uses less energy than baking or roasting. Tia tells us vegetables grown at school often end up here.
So we have a garden upstairs that we grow like winter foods in, so that seeds that can grow in the winter. For example, there's like a lot of tomatoes and we use it in our school lunches.
Among the trainee chefs are members of the school's Eco Warriors Club, like Ren.
So we meet every week and we try and make the school more sustainable by doing stuff like No Carbon November, when we try to walk or bike or take public transport.
But from perfect persimmons growing outside to the savory smell of pajeon inside, there is deep pride in the knowledge of sustainability here, cultivated and passed down from one generation to grow stronger in the next.
Mike Valerio reporting there from Dulwich College in Seoul. You can learn more about the Core to Earth Day and how students around the world are taking action at cnn.com/Core to Earth. Right now, we're going to take a quick break. We'll be right back.